Hey, what's up guys? So I decided to get the Galaxy Note 8 in 2018. I got a great deal on it, so I decided to give you guys a quick unboxing, so let's go check it out. I was able to get the Galaxy Note 8 for $750 under the T-Mobile carrier in the actual Samsung website. Actually, I got the AKG wireless headphones for free, so that was an awesome deal. Right away, I can tell you, I'm liking it better compared to the actually Galaxy S8 Plus. It's just something about the corners. We got just a SIM card kit, regular paperwork, ejection pin, AKG earphones, which I already have a pair of these, and they're not the best earphones, but they sound very well. I mean, they don't have a lot of bass, but they're clear. A Type-C cable to USB, ear tips for different sizes for the earphones, and we got the end tips that go to the stylus pen. Let's see what else we got. I mean, we got the usual adapters that we've been getting with the Galaxy series. The two adapters that go is the Type-C to USB, micro USB to Type-C, and we have wall charger. So that is it. That was the quick unboxing. I mean, the box looks very similar to the S8 Plus and the box that I got for the Note 7. Let's go check out the phone right now. Oh yeah, I can already tell you, but just the feel of the design of the Note series, just how it is a little bit more square. Like, I feel like I have a better handle of it, and just the surface display looks better. That Infinity display is just awesome. All right, now I'm ready just to put all my fingerprints all over it, because I expect the Gorilla Glass in the back, it is just basically a fingerprint magnet. With the S8 Plus, I mean, every time I clean it up, before I even put it on the case, I had fingerprints all over it. While it comes off real quick, let me just go over the buttons. It's nothing big of a difference, nothing changes. So on the side, you got the regular Bixby button, which again, I mentioned this before. It's one of those that it doesn't really bother me, but it's there and you can get rid of it. So eventually I learned to just ignore it. Also on the side, we got the power buttons, which is pretty tactile, as expected. Right hand side, we got the power button. On the top, we got just basically the slot for the micro SD card and the SIM tray. And we got, looks like we have another microphone right in the top. On the bottom, you got the stylus pen. Oh yeah, I definitely like this stylus pen. I mean, it's pretty similar to the Note 7 series. Best of all, we still have audio jack port. I like to have my headphones, my earphones, just have them with me all the time. I don't like to be charging accessories all the time, and I tend to forget. So when I'm on the go, I want to make sure I'm ready to go, just able to plug it in. The one thing that hopefully they're going to change this in the future, but the speaker, the location of the speaker when it's in the bottom and just having one speaker, it doesn't sound that well, and hopefully we'll look at that on the review later on. But I can already expect the sound quality to be very similar to the Note 7 or the Galaxy S8 Plus. Sometimes when you're holding the phone, you do, depending on how you hold it, sometimes you do basically block the speaker, especially if you're laying down and you're trying to hold the phone up, you're blocking the speaker. Or if you holding it sideways, I tend to block the speaker with the palm of my hand, so that's kind of like a big down. But even sometimes when they put it in the back, when you lay the phone flat, you just block some of the audio. I think that's why it's so important to have two speakers, one on each side. And we got a 12 megapixel camera, dual camera in the back. We got the fingerprint sensor that, again, it's very close to the actual camera lens, but it's better than the S8 Plus. It's a little bit farther out. It does gonna come with the Nougat, and very soon should be able to upgrade to the Oreo. It will have a 64 gigabytes of storage capacity and this awesome 6.3-inch Infinity display. As I already mentioned, I plan on doing a bunch of videos on this. I'm probably gonna go ahead and compare it to the Note 4, and hopefully I can get the Note 5 very soon. So make sure you guys subscribe. I'm gonna have a bunch of videos coming up on the stylus pen and the different functionality, different things we can do with the Note. So thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one.